Question 12. A farmer has a field that is in the shape of a trapezium. He measures the field so he can work out the area. He puts the measurements on the diagram of the field. Part A says the farmer has rounded his measurements to two significant figures. Give a reason why he may have done this. Okay, well, when we're rounding, we tend to round just because rounding makes it easier. Makes it easier for large calculations. So it's going to be easier to work out the area of his field. Okay, that's all you need to put for part A. Now part B is a big 5-mark question, and this is where it gets a little trickier. So I've got the diagram up the top again just to help us. But part B says the field produces 6,400 kilograms of weight per hectare, and it tells us that 1 hectare is 10,000 meters squared. And we need to work out how many kilograms of wheat the field produces. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find the area of this trapezium. Okay. Now the formula for finding the area of trapezium you need to know. They won't tell you this. So it's half, and then it's A plus B, where A and B are our parallel sides. Okay, so half A plus B times by the height, and the height is not the slanty side, it's not this side here, it's the perpendicular height, it's the height that goes straight up and down. Okay, so for this one it would be 150. So if we go through and we substitute our values in, so we've got half, and then A plus B, so 180 add 220, that's going to give me 400, so half times 400, 400, and then we times it by the height that we've already spoken about. We want the perpendicular height, so straight up and down is 150 meters. Okay, so half times 400 times 150. Okay, now, well, this is all a bit much just to do in my head since this is non-calculated, so I'm going to break it down in steps. So half of 400 is 200. So I've now got 200 times 150. Okay, and well, they're still two big numbers, so I'm going to break it down again. So 2 times 15, I can do that. 2 times 15 is 30. And I've got 1, 2, 3 zeros. So I need to put those on the end as well. 1, 2, 3. So actually the area of this trapezium of the farmer's field is 30,000 meters squared. Okay, so that's good going. We now know the size of this field. Okay, but it says that the field produces 6,400 kilograms of wheat per hectare. And we've got this in meters squared. So our next step is to convert from meters squared into hectares. Okay, so 1 hectare is 10,000 meters squared. Okay, but I've got 30,000 meters squared. So all we need to do it over here with a bit more room, is 30,000 meters squared. Okay, be careful to make sure you've got enough zeros, that's a comma. 30,000 divided by 10,000. 10,000 gives us 3 hectares. Okay, I'm not going to write the whole word out, I'm just going to put 3H. Okay, so 3 hectares. That is the size of the field. Okay, so we're almost there. And each hectare produces 6,400 kilograms of wheat. I've got 3 of them, so this time we're going to do 3 times 6,400. Okay, and again, this is quite a tricky number just to know off the top of my head. If I break it down, well, 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, so 3 times 6,000 is going to be 18,000. And then we've got 3 times 4 is 12, but it's 400, so it's going to be 1,200. And then we can add them up together. Give me 0, 0 is 0, 0, 0 is still 0, 0 add 2 is 2, 8 add 1 is 9, and 1 add nothing is 1. So the farmer's field is going to produce 19,200 kilograms of wheat. And that is how you get your 5 marks.